Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the MDX function called siblings. Okay, so in the previous session, which is the class 11, we already discussed about children. Okay, the children, how it works, I explained there. Similar way, the siblings also works like children function, but it works a little different. Okay, let me one step go back and explain what is the difference between the children and siblings if you take it like a cube terminology. So let me go to the Excel. This is the Excel file that already connected to the Adventure Work sample cube. Okay, so here I drag the geography hierarchy. So you can see here I drag the geography hierarchy from geography and I use the reseller sales amount measure. Same way, I duplicated the same pivot in the other window. Okay. Now, what is the children is nothing but if you take the geography here, the Australia is the country, right? That is coming from the country attribute. Under that, we have a different state province. Okay. So now Australia is a parent level, and then the other next level values will be your children values. That's how the parent and child value appearing here. Okay, again if you expand New South Wales, under the New South Wales again you have the different cities, right? So here again when it comes to the city reference, city will be the children and New South Wales will be the parent. Okay, so that's how the children function works. Now it comes to the siblings. Siblings is nothing but Australia is the current member that you select. If you ask to bring the siblings for Australia, it will bring the Canada, France, and Germany, and United Kingdom and United States, because those are the siblings, not the children, right? So you already, if you take it your real life scenario, if you have a brothers and sisters, we call them like siblings, right? Same way, whenever you ask Australia and their respective siblings, you ask for it, it will bring the Canada and France and Germany and United Kingdom and United States. But when you go to the next level, state province level, if you let's say New South Wales, right? If you ask New South Wales and the siblings, it will bring only the Queensland, South Australia, and Victoria, because for this New South Wales, their siblings will be these three, because these four will be part of the Australia. Okay, so that's the reason whenever you asked this level, second level, and you will ask for the siblings, it will bring only these remaining three values under the Australia. So this is how the siblings works. Okay, so again, children, it look at parent and child hierarchy. Siblings, it's always look at the what are the parallel equivalent values. Okay, like our brothers and sisters. Right, now coming back to these queries again, let me quickly go run through the children, because that we covered in the previous session, class 11. But however, I want to quickly show you one more time. So just to recap, so now here I execute this MDX query where I'm trying to take the reseller sales amount for the geography. This is my hierarchy, right? So under the geography hierarchy, so if you take geography as your parent, the immediate next level, first level will be your country, right? Country will be children for the geography. Geography will be the parent. So that's the reason when I write the geography dimension and geography hierarchy, then children, it brought the all country level information, right? So now if I go and one step down, second level, if I want to go to state province level, then what I did, so I try to bring the Australia and Australia related children reseller sales amount, then it bought the Australia, what are the children's available under the Australia country, it bought those reseller sales amount. So we talked about this again, I don't want to talk about. So now coming to the siblings. So when I execute, when I say instead of dimension and hierarchy, instead of children, if I put siblings, let me show you what will happen. Okay, so there won't be any siblings, right? Geography is the hierarchy. Along with the geography, do we have any other hierarchies? No. So that's the reason it's showing the grand total of the reseller sales amount at all geography level. However, if I go to the next step and try to bring Australia information and respect to siblings, then let's see what will happen. So now I got the Australia, including Australia, I got other countries information, because for Australia the remaining countries are the siblings, right? So similar way, if I take state province, right? Let's see what we'll get the under the state province. Who are the siblings for the New South Wales? Okay, let me do this way. Okay, so now what will happen? Let's see. I'm expecting the Queensland and South Australia and Victoria along with selected New South Wales, right? So for the New South Wales, these three will be the siblings for the New South Wales. South Wales. That's the reason it brought the these four state province information. So this is how the siblings works in the MDX. But yeah, so careful which one you're using, children or siblings. Okay, so this is the major difference between the siblings. Okay, so siblings always fetch the information for the parallel other members information the same level, including its own member. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.